Of this party, this is the first time we had not come out of the ordinary, but through resilience and also commitment by party members in Anambra. You see, if God wants to help you, it takes out all the thorns along the way and also close to you. I know we have one united party in Anambra today. I want to also commend your resilience for staying, commit yourself to be the flag bearer of this party. I know it's not easy, but your commitment, I believe, and sincerity, God will see us through this election. Victory will be yours. I want to encourage you. We have started well from the evolution of the state executive to your emergence as our candidate. I think what you need to do is to go back and consolidate and vote all sons and daughters to make sure that everyone is part of board. With that, I assure you our total support and commitment to all the efforts you are going to put in our party in Anambra. I cannot what happened yesterday from the party. I want to seize this opportunity to comment, even though it's still sketchy, but I have to say something about it. It's very sad and unfortunate, because to me, if there's any state that should think that way, not Delta, because the party is very magnanimous. I thank God that in their message, they didn't say that the party did anything wrong to them, other than good. It's a decision taken by them, but the pains will be in us. Not because of anything, but because we felt we have given all responsible support that we are supposed to give to the entire state, from the emergence of the governor to his predecessor, who also doubled as our vice presidential candidate. I think we have done it all for them in Delta, and we least expected this action from them. All the same, this is a party that has seen more than that, but is still standing. And I want to use this opportunity to say we'll take over our structures immediately by setting up a caretaker. We are still taking stocks, and we will do that immediately. I also want to enjoin our members, both in Delta and the country in general. I want to remind us what happened in 2023. That the PDP can still make it. Simple. Obi has no governor, but he muzzled those votes that he muzzled. This election in 2027 is not about how many governors you have or how many leaders. It's TINUBU and Nigerians. And they will give him the result, I believe, before 12 o'clock. because you can coerce, persuade, and intimidate our members to come in to support you. But the ordinary man is feeling the pinch, and the decision is his. So I want to use this opportunity to tell Nigerians that it is their election. It's APC versus Nigerians. Not APC versus any governor or senator. APC versus Nigerians. So I want to urge all our families to close rank and rescue yourself from this hardship that is inflicted on us by design, not any coincidence. Policies are meant for people. So you make policy and it's not given the results, not our ordinary change, but it's different here. So people should not be deterred. We experience a lot of challenges, but there is no challenge that is unsurmountable. I thank God we are all people of faith. We know there's a limit to whatever one can do other than what God has designed. You may have your own tactics, but you cannot outplay God. We leave our faith in the hands of God, and we believe He will help us out of this situation. Thank you very much. I want to use this opportunity